Okay, let's see what we picked up today. Ooh. Ooh. First time new tires in over 10 years. Right in the tizzy and a Tesla tire. For old blue. I know there's a mess in here, so no judgment. It'll be better by the time this video comes out. Alrighty, what we are doing today is replacing the tires or wheels or combination of the two on the 06 Hawkeye Sti. I got this car from the original owner a little over 10 years ago, and I never bought tires for it, and I was driving it around for the longest time ever with these 12 or 13-year-old tires. And what I ended up doing is I drove it a little bit harder one day than normal, and I had a blow up. I might show a clip somewhere here or here.
Sir. It's crazy.
Pull it off? Come off? Nah, it's too many beats.
Sure, if you yank it off. Look, got some gloves.
Oh, yeah.
Gloves. Yeah, and then you'll see how that tire was kind of hanging out, so I decided that it's finally time to get some new tires for it. So in the meantime, we put these wheels and tires that were from the 12 STI, the special edition ones that came with the car, just so I can at least get to drive it some more. But now that I have the funds, you would say, to get the tires for the gold BBS wheels, we're gonna put them back on. So I'll put kind of like a side view of what it looked like with the old wheels and tires, and what it looks like with the new tires and old wheels. So yeah, I'm gonna move it back over here, and I'll see you right over. Here's a view, and put one of them on this side. Alright, these don't look that bad. They're from 2020, January 2020. So, yeah, I guess it could be worse. If you want to go give yourself some entertainment, go watch when I first put on these spacers like 5 years ago. torque. Looks like 88 foot-pounds. I'm gonna mark it at about almost 90. Looks good. Step on the wheel. One tire down, 3 to go. What do you think about this two-wheel look? Okay, we are down to the last wheel. Clean the new. Okay, here we go. All done. Okay, if you managed to make it this far, thanks for watching first of all. Yeah, that was the first time I put new tires on this car in over 10 years. What I'm trying to do is just try to make it more drivable, drive it every day or every other day, instead of like once or twice a week or once or twice a month. So yeah, we're working on to have a few more videos to install. Should be having some new videos coming out. If you're following along, if you're not, go watch some of my other videos, see what's up. But other than that, thanks for watching. See you next time.